First off, our presenting group would like to welcome our audience. We thank you for listening to our presentation. The purpose of our presentation is to address the problem in our school. As you know, our school consists of baby boomer, Generation X, and millennial teachers. Personalities are often colliding, and there's no continuity in the methodologies or curriculum. And each teacher does his or her own thing, and our school is suffering in both academic and social realms. So what we believe is that the solution to our school's problem is to influence our staff to undergo paradigm shifts. We want to help you understand yourselves, your colleagues, your students, and our goal is to provide you with effective strategies to undergo these paradigm shifts. A paradigm is the way that we see the world. It's like a map. And so a paradigm shift, the purpose of a paradigm shift is to move us from one way of seeing the world to another. And so our goal is to get our school to move from the way that we currently do things, which is fractured, and we want to move it towards a better, more effective way of doing things, to come together as a school and to work together. Paradigm shifts are the sources of our attitudes and behaviors and ultimately our relationships with others. And we know that in a school there are so many different relationships that exist. Administrators with teachers, they have a relationship. Teachers and teachers have a relationship. And teachers and their students have relationships. And so we know that if we can mend these relationships together and if we can effectively communicate with each other, then we know that our school culture can change. Our school can undergo a paradigm shift. And so there's three main things that we're going to cover in this presentation as part of our solution. The first is how to effectively communicate and understand one another. We're going to talk about professional learning communities, generational differences, and personality types. The second thing that we're going to cover are effective habits. We're going to cover 5 habits of effective people, and we're going to teach you how you can use that in your personal life, but also as an educator. And then lastly, we're going to cover 3 effective teaching strategies in depth so that everyone can leave here knowing how to use them in their own classroom. And we believe that these 3 key things will help us undergo a paradigm shift and change the culture of our school so that we can increase both our academic and social realms.